So yeah guys, yesterday we went trick-or-treating and things became pretty wild pretty soon, but fortunately I had with me my EDC, my Leica Q2. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and yes, officially I survived Halloween. Things became pretty wild, guys. Here we had a bunch of kiddos going around desperate for collecting sugar, and I was trying to collect memories with my EDC, with my Leica Q2. It was always with me, and yesterday I gave it a try by recording videos because I wanted to capture the whole madness around it rather than just snapping pictures. And so I said, why not taking advantage of the fact that I'm having a full frame sensor and a Summilux glass, and let's see how it goes despite I only have the stave in the lens, so no IBIS, and despite I'm not having any AF tracking for the people. And so I had to set the focus manually to infinite and then hope for the best or use focus peaking. Hi. And then with focus peaking, I think I had some good results, but at that very moment, it hit me why it is that the Nikon ZF and all the retro cameras, the Fuji, the Leica, became oh so popular. Now, for me, it's not a big of a deal because it is exactly the way I was used to do photography. But for you guys, I do understand that the moment you stop navigating into the menu to get the best possible results and you start having the manual dials, so basically using your own skills rather than trusting the camera, it is life-changing. And so basically it is something that I'm trying to teach my students in every single street photography session that we have downtown. I don't know if you're familiar with that kind of philosophy that is Wu Wei, but basically it's an effortless living. And so when you're shooting with a retro camera, why do you like it that much? Because it is effortless, meaning that you don't have to force anything. That's the main concept behind it, because you are not forcing anything. You're just basically going around and enjoying the walk downtown, in the woods, in the Halloween party, wherever you are just in the moment, and you have a tool with you which is just a mean to an end. And so your EDC camera, whether it's a Fuji APS-C, whether it's a Leica, whether it's the Nikon ZF, it's just a mean to an end, allowing you, enabling you to record photos and videos as a good memory of the moment and at what you are living in that very moment. So now, why is the Nikon ZF so very popular? Well, first, because you are in the major league. When you are purchasing Nikon full frame, guys, you are in the major league. For decades, it was either Canon or Nikon, so the debate was that thing. Only few ones were having Hasselblad or Leica, but the main debate was whether Canon or Nikon was the best camera company. And then once you have this Nikon ZF with a full frame and this beautiful Nikon Z-mount glasses and all the technology advancements that 2023 can grant you, but you're using it with manual dials, then that's a bit of a retro feeling. I do understand it. Why for you is it a retro? Oh, rainbow. But to me, it's just the way photography it is. And so rather than spending too much time into the menu because you want to have the perfect white balance, the perfect autofocusing, tracking, the perfect stave, not too much jittery information, and the good colors rather than do it in post-production, once you don't have to manage all those things in the menu, you can really enjoy the moment and your photography. And this is also probably why the end results are so good, because you put much more effort in effortlessly photographing the world around you rather than studying and then trying to find the trick or the perfect formula out of the Sony menu that will allow you to have a proper recording and eventually a good result. So that came to me and it hit me in the face yesterday night when I was going around. Rather than enjoying the foliage here during the day, I was going around during the night with my camera, which is not the perfect tool for recording videos overnight, as we discussed already, but I had so much fun because I was not expecting anything out of it rather than just enjoying the experience. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.